Today I am going to show you how to create a Django application by using Ginger template. I don't use any React or any fancy thing. So okay, 1 second. Okay, start my local server, and I also tell you how to deploy in the web server also. Python manage py run server. Now you see that the website is working perfectly, and this one is my Django blog, and I use some search feature. You can search anything like a US base. If you just copy and just search here US base, so here US base is there, and if you just click the bottom, and you can go a separate page where all the information about this thing is there, and you can comment here also. And you must have a login user. If you do not log in my website, so you don't have you don't have this option. Okay, I'll show you. If I log out, so if I go to the same, if you just search anything. Okay, so just go here, and here you don't have any option. You don't have any option to comment. Okay, so you just click the login option, and again you log in here. Okay, so I have this user option also there. So this one is the, I have many options are there. Means if you are a normal user, so you don't have this user option. Okay, so this is my features. Means these all are my categories are there. So this one is a sports, and a sports category, drone category, and many technology, business, health, everything is there. And you can customize this thing also. You can add this feature also. Okay, so I just create a dashboard, and these all are my social media. So social media like LinkedIn, YouTube, and GitHub is there. Okay, so if you go to the dashboard, inside the dashboard you have a category page is there. Okay, these all are the category, and you can create a new category also here. When you click the add button, and here add a new category, you can write anything like if I write anything like hi, or we say the hi. Okay, so if you submit, automatically one hi is add here. Okay, this high category, nothing is there, no content is there. Okay, so you can add inside the category also, you can add something. Okay, so just go to the dashboard. This one is the category, and inside the category I just add something, and I can edit the high also. I can edit the high like high like that. If I submit, then you just see that edit button also working perfectly, and I can delete also. I can, if I want, then I can delete also. Okay, so I want to add some post. Okay, when I just click here, nothing is there, so I just add something. So how I add some post, new post. So go to the dashboard, inside the post section. Inside the post section, I can add a new post. Okay, here a new post option is there. Okay, add a new post. So what was the title of this post? Anything, like anything I just write. So category category. Recently I add this high category, and here you just upload a image, any image. So downloads, okay, pocketed this image. You see that this image, I just upload this thing. You see that the image is uploaded successfully, and it's a DJI Osmo Pocket Osmo camera, something like that. In the body also you can write anything, and in the status is published. Okay, if you publish, if you want to publish, so you can write here publish. You can select the publish, and it's a feature or not. I just uncomment this thing. I don't want to feature this thing, then submit. Okay, and here I say that username, add a new user. Okay, so you this one. Here again I go to the dashboard. I did some mistake, I think, and go to the post, add a new post, and inside the post I write anything. Title means anything I can write. In the category I write this one is the category, and the featured image I use this image. Here I can write any description. Again I just do anything. This one is the this is published, it's featured. If I submit, so automatically one post is added. Okay, submit. Okay, so when I submit this thing, so is go to the user add a new user button. So inside the post submit button. Now when I let's go to the user button, means add a new user option. Okay, so I do one thing, go to check something, some little bit bugs are there. So like if I go to the dashboard, so this one is the category, this one is the post. Okay, so when I add a new post, this one is the post, so this one is a blog post is there. Okay, this one is inside the blog, I have a views is there, views.py file is there, and this one is the blogs is there, post by category, blogs are there, and searching functionality also there, everything is there. So inside the dashboard I create all the features like edit category and attend delete category, add post here. You see that add post is there here. And this one is the add post. This function is responsible for adding the post. Okay, so this one the url.py. Inside the url.py, add post is there, add post. This one is the add post. Okay, post slash add name equal to add post. Okay, I just pass. Okay, so I have a problem here. So when I just add a post, when I just click here, when I click here add a new post, and here add a new post page, I just change the action. Okay, when I submit it's go to the somewhere, so that's why that's little bit problem. Okay, so this one is the add post inside my template dashboard. I have not 4 is there. This one is the media, this one is the dashboard, and inside the dashboard here here add post is there, add post, and inside the add post I use add user. That's a little bit mistake is there, it's not a user, it's a post. You see that this post is there, post, and add a new user, add a new post. Let's modify this thing. So now it's working fine, and you see that add post I just change add a new post. Okay, so here if I just refresh it, so now add a new post is there, and I also send the request to a particular URL. Okay, add post URL, and so now I want to add something inside this category. Okay, so title hi, title is a hi, and it is a high category. You can write anything, so I use this image, then I go just write anything. You can copy paste somewhere. Here I can write anything, then the status is published. Now you just see that what happened, if it's working or not. Just press the submit button. Now you just see that hi, now it's working fine. And you just see that here the feature in the feature section, it's not a featured post. Okay, so how I can make it featured post? So go to the edit button. Inside the edit button you can click here each featured, so then submit. Now you just see that the status is changed to green check, means it's a featured image. So you just see that the edit button also working fine. Okay, and the delete option also available. If I just delete, so automatically the hi is completely deleted. Okay, if I just click the hi, if I click the delete option, the automatically it's deleted. Okay, so now this website is working perfectly. Okay, so then okay, I show you. Here you see that the user option is visible. If I just log out and log in another user like a manager have permission, but I have normal user like a editor or any normal user. If I just log in as a normal user, so you just see that you don't have the user option is there. You just see that you have category option is there, you have post option is there, everything is there, and you can see all the post. You can see all the posts are there, means you can see all the posts are there, everything is visible, and you don't have capacity to comment also. I already say that you must log in, means okay, you are logged in, so yeah, you are logged in, so that's why this comment option is visible. If you are not logged in, then the comment option is not visible. Okay, so blog post also working fine. Okay, so two users are there, like here if I go to the admin panel, if I go to the normal admin panel, so here one block category is this user can this user non this one is a normal user. You see that this one is a normal user, this one editor is a normal user, so limited option is visible here. um, Categories, he can perform any operation, like perform CRUD operation inside the category, and he can perform any operation inside the blog. Okay, but if I log out this thing, then if I go to the admin user, because admin user is a super user. Admin. Okay, so this one is a super user. Okay, this one is a super user. Okay, and here you will see that all the options are visible here. This one is blocks, categories and comments, everything is visible here. And I can give the permission also, means the user have capacity, user can see all the users, and if I say that you see that the admin user have super user permissions are there, so that's why he can do anything. Okay, so there are some permissions are there, like I can provide. If I go to the another options, like if I go to the normal user, inside the normal user you don't have any permissions. You have you are a normal user, you don't have a staff user also. If you are staff user, then you can log in the admin panel. Okay, so this one, the super user also not activated, and I can give you a group permission and a individual user permission also. So how I give the user permissions, this one is a user permission. Inside the user permissions, I can you can see that there are some blog post user permissions are there. You can read the blog, you can change the blog, add the blog, view the blog. Then if I just click here, then everything is shipped to that site. Okay, I just you see that. Then you can press the save option. If you press the save option, then this user Suraj one is one have capacity to view all this thing, but I don't want to save this thing. Remove all. Okay, this one is the about us and social media also, because both are this build also dynamic, means I just make everything dynamic. So this one is a social media link. If I go to where is my here, this one is a social media, means this one is the about section, and this one is the social media section. Okay, so everything is dynamic. This means this one is a LinkedIn. If I just click here, it's open my LinkedIn profile. Yeah, it's also working. And this one is a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel where I just teach everything, and the GitHub also. Yeah, so after I create this video, then I can public my, because this project is private, so you don't have access this project. So I can, you just see that this one, the Django is private, so I can make it public also. You can comment below, I can make this project public also. Okay, so and the about was also working fine, and I create a separate table also here in the about section. Only about us is here. The about heading and about descriptions are there. Okay, everything is working fine. in the comment section, these all are the comment, means whatever you just want to comment, so everything is stored inside the comment database. So everything is here, so you can add the comment manually, or you can directly through UI also you can add comment also. You go to any random blocks. Okay, then you can add here. I don't have any comment, so no comment is found, no comment yet. So if I just add some comment here, some comments are there. Okay, so currently let's check which user. This one is a Django admin user, I think. Yeah, I reset the password. Seven two four. Okay, so here also everything is, if you go to a single blog post and everything is visible, you can directly go to the drone. Every buttons are working fine, and here hi. Okay, here if I want to delete this hi also, I can delete also. If you just go to the dashboard and inside the category you have a hi, you can press the delete button and this category is deleted permanently. And the dashboard is working fine, and now I have all 8 categories are there, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 category, and 5 blog posts are there. And the search functionality also working fine, anything you can search. And if you want to learn about how I make this application and everything, I can create a separate video, explain everything, and I just provide the source code also, and everything. Okay, I forget one thing. So I deploy this application in the website, in the web server also. There you can freely deploy this application. You can freely deploy full stack application by using PythonAnywhere is there. So go to the PythonAnywhere. I already deployed this application. So this one is my web application, web app. When I just click this button, now you see that I already deploy this thing. Just go to this link. Now you see that my website is live. Now you see that I don't have the local server. I just turn off my local development server. Okay, what I press. Okay, so I just turn up my local development server. You just see that my local development server is not working, and now you just see that it's globally you can access, anyone can access this application. I already deployed this application in PythonAnywhere is there, so you can deploy a full stack Python application in PythonAnywhere freely with SSL certificate with .com. Okay, with .com with free SSL certificate, and there are some limitations are there. If you go to the PythonAnywhere, you can read everything also, or you can make a separate video also how to deploy this application. And I just give a little bit about the PythonAnywhere. If I go to the pythonanywhere.com, so here you just see that I have only single bash is there. Bash command is a terminal. You can open 2 terminal at a single time, and this one is the you just modify 2 things, like first I provide all these things, means here the in the setting.py. So this one is the setting.py file, and you just modify the media root, means you must have a media root is there. You just see that here media root and static roots are there. This one is the most important thing, so he can find out all the static file. Uh, if you don't have any static root, so you don't have you can't run the python manage.py collect static, so this command is not working when you deploy this application. Okay, and another thing is the main application server, the application server like WSGI server, WSGI server. This one is my WSGI server. I just you just copy this code and paste here, and you just modify this thing like this one is my home directory. This Soras 754132 / this one is my project directory. Okay, log up. This one is my project directory. And the setting.py also, the setting.py environment, and this one is my main directory. Inside the main directory you just I write here means blog underscore main.setting.py, but you just search where is your setting.py files are there. Like inside my blog up main, inside the blog main I have a setting.py file is there, so that's why I just mention inside the WSGI file. Okay, blog main dot setting.py. Okay, so there's some. Okay, one application is running. If I just click this application, and you just see that there are some little bit changes are there, like here also you just add the source code file. Where is your source code file, and where is the main directory, root directory, and where is the WSGI file. Here you can click here, you can redirect to the WSGI file. Okay, so this one is a virtual environment inside the server machine, means this is my virtual environment. When you create this application, in that time you just create a virtual environment also. And here the main thing is there, you just modify the static URL also. This one is a static, and static URL directory is there. Okay, I create a separate video, means how to deploy in PythonAnywhere, because this one is very this is only for Python. You can only deploy Python application like Django, Flask, or any Python web framework. This is my domain name .com. You see that you get domain, means you get .com sign, and you get the free SSL also. Don't have anything. You can search. I just put the link also. After making this video, I just disable this thing disable the link, because there's some limitations are there, means you can use 1 month. You can use 1 month, means this then it's become paid. For learning purpose I use this domain. Okay, now I show you how to disable also. Here you can go to this application, then you can disable it also. Here you just see that the rule, you need 1 month for from today. From today means it's starting from 1, so 1 month is valid, so I can completely delete or disable it also. Disable web app and delete web app. I don't want to delete, because in the next time I do lot of setup, so that's why I just disable the web app. Now your web app is re-enable. It's showing that re-enable is there. Okay, so my website is not here. If you just go refresh, this web application also coming soon. It's showing coming soon. Okay, so I can deploy this application in the AWS, and if you want, then I can deploy this application in Node, Node, or any type of hosting platform. Okay, just comment below if you want. this type of content. So please subscribe my channel.